This video will be about a hideaway which we found in New Zealand. Have you heard about tiny houses? They are super popular in here. The whole COVID time we were watching the videos of tiny house movement and dreaming about spending some time in here. So here we are, guiding you through a very beautiful tiny house, which is an amazing example of how smart and eco-friendly these tiny houses are made. So let's go!
Welcome to our new episode, and this is bonus episode about the unique places we stayed in New Zealand. This is basically a second place. The first place was in the Yellow Submarine. You can check our video in the top here. And this video will be about another very popular accommodation here in New Zealand, and it is a tiny house. Today we have really raining day here, and it's true relief that we can spend this whole day in the nature, and we have roof, and also this is really interesting accommodation. And let's go, I will show you around these two buildings we have. Basically it is a tiny house and a cabin. And let's start with a tiny house. And here, once we get into this tiny house, we're instantly getting into the living area, where you can see a really nice sofa, the plant, which instantly adds a eco-friendly vibe, and really big screen. I would say this is kind of a really spacious living place for a tiny house. And also you can see this net, which also I think adds more to this space, as the light is falling from the windows here. And yeah, you can see there are plenty of windows in the loft area. We have a kitchen here, oven, a sink. Also there is a really huge fridge for a tiny house. And also here is a dining area with two spaces to sit on. And what is magnificent about tiny houses, it is how they able to save space in this really not spacious place, let's say so. And for example, here we can open a cupboard, and you will see how many stuff fits in here, like all the pots and pans, and also the tea, coffee, the boards to cut. It's really nice. And we have here drawers, even have a dishwasher. What? In the tiny house, nice. And what is most amazing for me, it is that there are places in the stairs which you can open and just put some stuff. And here right now we have a shell, only a shell, and it's just amazing how tiny houses teach people to save space. And here is one more interesting place of this tiny house. It is bathroom area. We have a really nice shower. It is pretty high, so we'll have no problem to take a shower here. And there is a composting toilet. The interesting part of it is that every time you use it, you need to use vinegar water. You need to just spray it after you use it, and then pour some water into this kind of spoon. And yeah, and that's how you clean a toilet here. So let's go to the second floor of the tiny house. And we have that net here. You can see you can just sit and relax here. When I came to this house, I instantly saw this net and thought, okay, this will be my place in this home. And yeah, I can tell you, I spent here like an hour once we get here, and yeah, it's really comfy and relaxing, and it instantly feels like you are on one location. This property can be used by 4 people. It is the only bed, but in cabin there is one more bed, which I will show you shortly. So yeah, it is just a bed in the loft. Here are 2 windows. They are used for ventilation basically. So yeah, when you sleep here on the second floor, you can feel that fresh breeze of air every time. So yeah, it's really nice, and I bet if it would be a very hot day, this second floor would be very hot to sleep in. So it's really nice that we have two windows for ventilation. And yeah, now we're going to the cabin from the tiny house. As you can see, it's still a bit raining, but the sun, yeah, and the green grass. I mean, in New Zealand, grass is really green. Here we are in a cabin right now, and we have a simple bed here. It is for two people, as well the nice photo and the small TV. And right now we will take these stairs to the second floor. Let's take a look what we will have there. And voila! And it is like a perfect room for one person, I would say. Yeah, we can just take a look a little bit closer to it. It also has a really nice chair and a single bed. Also, there are some pictures, I guess, about the owner works while building these beautiful tiny houses. I mean, how much space you can save living in this tiny house, and I guess it doesn't cost that much as the property here in New Zealand. And look at the design of this small but really beautiful room. In this room you also have some games, if it's, for example, this super rainy day like we have right now. So yeah, so it's really nice that we have how to entertain ourselves. So basically you can sleep here, and more in the morning you'll be woke up by the birds and by the sun, and also the first thing you will see, it will be the green trees and the green grass. So I mean, it's amazing. So here the sun is up again, no rain, so we can just relax and enjoy our time outside. And this was a bonus video for our travel guide / blog. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button to our channel. Of course, we hope that these things which we are showing you will inspire you to travel, and also maybe we'll show you some options where you could find nice properties to live in, or just stay for one night, for example, like we are doing in some crazy wild places. And yeah, let's meet in the next video.
And in the next video, we will go to our 56th country. Try to guess where in the comments. Small hint, it has one of the cheapest international flights from Auckland, only around $100 US. So try to guess, and we will tell you the next week.